You gave me the letter. I guess it was July. You said we'll be better, but I don't know why. I should be so lonely when I close my eyes. Imagined you're mine.
Hello everyone, क्या हाल है? So today I welcome you to the TFG channel. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, like and comment. And I really need your help and support in this journey. So let's start the video. So video शुरू किया जाए. So guys, I wanted to do a Katrina Kaif inspired makeup look, and since she has launched K-A-Y by Katrina Kaif, so I was so inspired by her look, and I thought why not do a makeup tutorial of her. And this makeup look came out so well, and it looks like so pretty. I hope that I could get one PR box of K, but unfortunately I can't, and since I'm not that popular, so I really got inspired by the theme, and by like she took women from all the regions of India, and she like the whole thought process was so progressive and was so amazing. And yeah, so that's why I wanted to do this makeup tutorial, and just to give a kind of headshot and a tribute to her. And also my elder sister has done my eyes, and yeah, so guys, if you're interested in how this entire makeup look came out, please stay tuned and please keep watching. And also I want to thank Urmidi for doing my eyes. Like I cannot do my eyes when it's like rolling, so yeah, so thank you Urmidi for this, like making my eyes perfect. So yeah, if you're interested in how I achieved this look, please keep watching. We'll straight away go to my eye makeup because I've already done my contour and foundation before this. Guys, I'm using a light brown color to create a shadow in my eyes. After which I'll apply rose gold color eyeshadow for my eyelid. You can apply kajal, but I'm applying eyeliner, and after applying it I'm going to smudge it, and Urmiti helped me to smudge it because I literally can't smudge my eyeliner by holding a mirror in like a hand and then another in like it's kind of like I can't do it, so my elder helped me doing it, so thanks to her. So with the same eyeliner, I'm now going to just apply in my under eyes so that it gives a black shade. Creating a smoky look as Katrina Kaif's picture. Applying a little bit of golden shade so that my eyes, like, it opens up and it looks big. So after this I'm going to apply mascara to create a proper shade, find the eyebrows, and also to redefine the eyelashes. So guys, we'll just get off the excess of powder as the baking is almost done, and after this I'm going to apply a little bit of lipstick. So guys, I'm using Coco Command from Lakme, and this shade is so very awesome, and it's like a nude shade and it looks really awesome. So guys, applying a little bit of Masterchrome highlighter to highlight the portions I need. That completes our entire look, so voila!
You gave me the letter. I guess it was July.
you.